Aloha, my name is Kamaka Brown. I've been associated with the Hoilina Foundation that produces the Heritage of Aloha Festival every year in Southern California, more specifically Santa Fe Springs, California. And I've been very privileged to be an MC for this event, and it's probably 10 plus years that I've been associated with it. Of the event was put together really to bring the community together and to remind Pacific Islanders and folks from Hawaii, Hawaiians at heart, about their culture, about the dances, about the traditions. And it was, in fear of that those were being looked over and passed by. So we wanted to have an event that would preserve the culture, go ahead and have as many practitioners in the community to come out. So we have classes, which is art that folks did not know anything about. So it's all encompassing of cultures, traditions, community involvement. And I just love it because it brings the community together and we have a good time. Our dance schools come out with their teachers called Kumu Hula. We've got probably 10, 15 of these schools of hula that do come out every year to perform at the event. And we've established deep friendships with them, and they're like family. We all know ohana means family. I love seeing the children, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years of age on stage dancing, because that's the next generation that we're passing the torch, if you will, right? Because guys, folks our age, the baby boomers, we're passing along. And so when we see these dance schools come and they bring the children and the families come to support that, you can't beat that. There's no way to describe how full your heart is when you see these youngsters, that are helping preserve the tradition and the dance of the Pacific Islands. It is a shopping paradise for folks that would like to find one of a kind that you don't normally find in walking in the mall or online, and they're all here at our festival. At the festival, we have a spam musubi eating contest. We had that today, and folks just line up to see how many spam musubi they can eat. Every Saturday at 12 noon, we have it. On Sunday, we have an ukulele contest, and it's for ukulele players of all ages. Support whatever's happening in the community, folks associated with the Pacific Islander communities here, nonprofit organizations.
Aloha, this is our school fundraiser. Our school is in Hilo, Hawaii, and this is our after-school program, Studio Shaka. These are all made by students and teachers. This was my first trip, and I fundraised all mine to come to California, which was an amazing trip. And thank you so much, Heritage of Aloha, for this amazing opportunity, and we are so grateful for it. Thank you so much.
Please enjoy. If you have any questions or anything we can help you with, feel free to ask any of the vendors or any of the folks that are around. We'd be more than happy to share our aloha with you.
Aloha! Have a great afternoon, everybody.